Working on a 2005 fourth generation Toyota 4Runner. And what is happening with this is the fact that the tailgate is not opening up, right? So not opening up, and right down here is the switch or latch, I guess you would call it. The handle, if you want to call it that. It's kind of like a soft handle. I don't know if you guys can see that, right? But there's a soft handle and nothing happens, right? I'm pushing on it, should open up. 9 times out of 10, it's the mechanism in here that behind here that goes bad. The door handle, which is like I want to call it a soft door handle, doesn't do anything, right? And you have the door latch down here on the inside. Obviously, you need to get the door open to gain access to the back panel and get that door mechanism out and put a new one in. Picked it up from Toyota. Cost me like $400, which is crazy. I'll put a part number up for it right now. But if you're running into this situation and you need to get your hatch open, let me show you what you need to do. Okay, looking at the infamous 1GR FE 4.0 liter V6. Coming here on the driver's side, you have the fuse panel. Get this up and off. And then right here, which one is it? It is ECU-B, okay? So right there, ECU-B. 10 amp on the far right. So it's that one right there. Go ahead, pull that. We're going to reset the mechanism on the inside. Pull that sucker out. Okay, we got a sandwich real quick, so maybe 3-5 minutes. Go ahead and reinstall it. Put it right there. Sorry, trying to get over a cold here. Get your keys. Let's lock it. Unlock it. There you go. That's how you guys get the rear hatch open on a 4th generation Toyota 4Runner. So I won't bore you with that. If you guys just need to get the latch open, there you go. I'll put a link down in the description below to the video on how to change out this mechanism. All right, hope that's helped you out, guys. If you can, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. And if that stupid fan up there making all that ruckus.